Here I have Samsung Soundbar Q950T, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So, to factory reset, you just have to hold down combination of keys volume up and volume down at the same time for about 5 or 10 seconds. And after you see these three letters int displayed on a display, that means that device is already performing a factory reset operation. And after a few seconds it says goodbye, and after that it will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.